Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view the friend requests you've received on Facebook. If you've ever wondered who's tried to connect with you but can't seem to find where those requests are hiding, don't worry, I've got you covered. This quick and easy guide is all you'll need. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now, look for the three dots next to your name or under your profile details. Tap on those three dots to open up more options. In the list that appears, find and tap on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps track of everything you do on the platform, from likes and comments to connections and friend requests. Once you're in your activity log, scroll down until you see the section labeled Connections. You'll notice a small arrow next to it. Tap that arrow to expand the category. Inside, you'll find something called Received Friend Requests. Tap it, and that's where the magic happens. Here, you'll see every friend request that's been sent to you, but not yet accepted. You can choose to confirm someone's request, or delete it if you're not interested. It's a great way to stay in control of who you connect with, and make sure you don't miss any requests that might have been buried in your notifications. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your received friend requests on Facebook. It takes just a few taps once you know where to look. If this walkthrough helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it too. And if you'd like more quick and clear tech tips like this one, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching.